we had Devashri with us from 10th CBSE, Kanishka from 10th CBSE, we have Nivedita with us, so we have Rudraksh with us from 10th ICC board.
I am Nirdesh Dobe, studying in 10th ICSE.
My academic progress was huge since after the 7th standards exam from 8th standard I have been progressing till now. Yasho Ganesh has been a part of my great journey of my school life, very important years, and I would miss it in my further years.
So Suvarna is very helpful. We want help करते students को encourage करते हैं और motivate us for most studying. We sometimes stay for extra lectures.
Every day they give some homework of maths, and they also arrange the classes for the students who are weak in maths or a particular subject which they face difficulties in.
So I had difficulties in physics, numerical. So I had asked the physics faculty over there. So they explained me very nicely, and so I gradually pick up and grab it and grasp
In
it.
7th standard I was almost in my 70s range, but as soon as I entered 8th standard, as I gave the second exam, I almost had a grade high up and I went from 70s to 80s. So it was a great achievement for me. My expectations is at least 90 above, so I could just have a dream college and dream academic life ahead.
So I am here in Yasho Ganesh in 7th standard and my 4th year here, and I would like to appreciate all the efforts taken by the whole team and of course Gauri ma'am. She always keeps asking us about our feedback very oftenly, and all the slightest of our issues are solved very nicely, and also all the teachers here are very friendly and nice, so I enjoy learning here. They ask our feedback very often if we are facing any problem, and weekly tests are taken and personal attention is given.
First I was facing many problems in maths and science subject. After that I waited for some times for lectures after the classes. So teachers helped us.
There is no decline in my progress. So I have achieved more than 75% in in 6th and 7th grade, and from 8th grade I have received above 90%. 8th, 9th and 10th, now 10th.
It's quite fun here. Teachers are very nice. They are super comfortable.
In my backbone in my academic journey, and since I started from 8th standard till now, it has been a great